What if your crypto could earn you passive income while you sleep? Most people get this wrong, but here's why staking is becoming one of the most popular ways to grow digital assets. Today, we're reviewing Anchor and what it's like to use. Anchor is a blockchain infrastructure and staking platform that allows users to stake popular cryptocurrencies and earn rewards. Instead of running complex validator nodes, Anchor does the technical work for you. To start, you connect your wallet, choose a supported asset, and stake it with one click. You won't believe what happens next when your tokens start earning rewards automatically. Anchor offers liquid staking, which means you receive a token that represents your staked asset. You can still trade or use it in DeFi while earning rewards. However, rewards can change based on network conditions. There are also risks, including smart contract vulnerabilities. The surprising truth is that staking is not risk-free, but Anchor makes it simple. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews.